Alright, so this is for people who want to know how to get the game. So this site here is what I went to. Just go through this, and you just go to the one that's where yours is at. I did this one for it. And you go to either of these links, I go to this one. You just click download, and you just go through the steps after you open it up. So I don't want to open it right now and re-download everything, go through the setup because it would delete my save. But that's quite literally all you have to do. This site is goaded because they also have a thing to show you how to do it. But with this, alright, so for that, after you get it downloaded and stuff, you'll go into this right here. You'll go through the process, their thing, this answer everything. Don't worry about this stuff right here. It's not harmful. I scanned it already, so you're safe. After that, you can also click the setup. Right now, as you see, it'll tell me that it will just delete my stuff. I don't want to do that. That's all you have to do. You just go through the steps, and afterwards, it's set up. What I did, as you see, I have this right here. I made a folder specifically for it. And after it's fully extracted where you're supposed to do it, you just go in here, click on image, PC, and you'll click the launcher or just that. I always go for the launcher. And after you do that, you're good. And don't worry, nothing breaks. You can also mod it if you like. But that's it. I almost forgot to add this in here for added to your downloads. As you see, mine's is right there for Spider-Man with Shadows. I have a bunch of other games. Some of these games were gifted to me. I don't know what the hell half these are. But you go to add a game, add a non-Steam game, and as they're in here, once it loads up, you'll click you'll just go to browse, and you'll click either the game launcher or Spider-Man with Shadows. This is the one I did. You add that in there, and once you have it in there, it will have it in there, and afterwards, what I do is just click play, and it'll go through. You can do that way. I would suggest if you go to the Steam Gamepad, which is something awesome Steam has, you can enable it so it'll read your controller. I suggest using the 360 controller because I don't know how it works with a PlayStation controller, but using a plug-in wired Xbox 360 controller is your best bet. But there's that. So it's super easy to do, and I will link in other stuff on directions how to do it.